I'm going to show you how to bend PVC pipe using sand. There are other ways to do it, but I found sand does the best job and is the easiest. First thing you want to do is calculate how much sand you need. So in my example here, I've got a 5-foot piece of PVC. I'm going to bend it in the middle there. I've got 2.5 feet, so I'm going to fill it up to about 3 feet with sand. Any kind of sand you have. I have an old frying pan. Threw some sand in there. You want to measure the sand out when it's cold. A big key to making this work right and smooth is getting the sand hot enough. For my application, I heated the sand on high for about 4 minutes. But if you don't get it hot enough, then you're going to have kinking and warping in your pipe. You want your pipe, when you pour the sand in there, to be rubbery. When you're working with the pipe and the sand, you also want to wear some gloves so you don't burn your hands. What I do is take a cork. This one was a little small, so I put a piece of Scotch tape, masking tape on the end. Stick that in the end. I put a fitting on there just to help it hold its form, and a piece of duct tape on the end just in case the cork pushes its way out. Got the end capped off, got the other end ready, and all I need to do is stick a funnel on the end, fill it up with sand, and it's just a matter of dumping this in here. Filling that up and making the bend. You can see it wants to go all over the place. And I'm just going to lay it down on the floor here. Now it'll burn your hands, so you want gloves on a 90-degree angle, so I'll just go along the line here and bend it. I'm going to let the sand cool a little bit, and that'll hold its form. And as you can see, it does not lose its shape. No binding, no kinking in the bend. Keeps the shape because of the sand in there. It's that simple. Now it's still warm, but I'm going to dump it out, kind of hold its shape, and I'll have a few seconds while it's still warm to make sure it's formed the way I want. And that's how easy it is. Perfect. That'll harden up in just 30 seconds. Now it's hardened up. It's still very warm, but pull the end cap off, pull the cork out, and you're all done. Nothing to it. I can run wire through here. It's not going to kink or bind on a fitting or a 90-degree angle. Sweet. Easy to do. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I look forward to helping you with other projects online.